Used to. The expression used to is commonly used when talking about past habits. It means something was true in the past but is not anymore. For example, I used to live in Toronto, but I don't live there anymore. Now I live in Montreal. When I was a child, I used to play top with my friends. I used to sleep all day. Negative. Didn't used to. I didn't used to eat a lot of candies. We didn't used to read English books. Question. Did you used to? Did you used to watch cartoons? Did you used to play with cars? Exercises. Write sentences with used to or didn't used to using ideas from A and B below. For example, a long time ago, people used to think the earth was flat. It's your turn.